I wanted to start in a good way, but I just broke my specs. Anyways, so recently I've been overthinking a lot. It's like, should I quit my job and go all in for content creation? And then there's this another thought, should I just focus on building my portfolio, searching for jobs, the real world, dive in and leave this all content creation thing behind? I mean, I'm not even kidding. I was panicking a lot yesterday. I don't know if it was my periods or what the fuck, but I was actually questioning a lot. So I texted a friend about it. And the reply I got, "Kush, you don't even have 2,000 followers yet. How can you even think about quitting your job?" And I was like, kinda, he's right. Means, why don't I think like other people think? Why my brain doesn't work like that? Then he asked, "What's your niche except hating on men?" And I wanted to laugh and cry at the same time because, again, he had a point. And I sat there wondering, what is my niche? I'm always thinking about creating a new account, like one account for writing, one account for posting myself, another account for yapping, one account for vlogging, etc, etc, etc. Like I have so many hobbies, so many interests, and I want everything to have, like separate account for it. But I think all along this was the point where I was wrong. This is not how it's supposed to be. I mean, obviously, I don't know. I love fashion, I love makeup, I love going out, dressing cute, I love romanticizing life. I love recording little moments. I love so much. I love writing. Above all, I love talking to camera. I've been talking to camera like my entire life. Whenever there's something going on in my life, I sit in my room, I turn my camera on, and I talk. I yap. It's like no one else is listening. It's only me and I. And I love it. I love it so much. Right? It comes to me so naturally. Like I don't even have to put efforts in doing it. I turn the camera on and I yap. It's just so simple for me. But the only thing I don't do is hit post. I mean, I have n number of drafts, but I never post. I don't know, they never make it out. And if I will post this one, I'll be so proud of myself, like pat on my back. I just love me. I love seeing me talk. But there's a part of me that's so scared of being known. It's so easy to post yourself with a good music in background and writing some text over it. Like I hide behind the text. I don't put myself out there, and I think this is the thing I lack. This is something I need to work on. Posting a trending reel is one thing, but posting yourself out there, it's terrifying. And somewhere along the way, I think I got so busy trying to fit myself in a niche that is not even me. Just because I started getting views or reach on a random kind of content that was not even me, I followed it. I just wanted to grow my account at that point. Now it's been 6 months. I've been so consistent, but I don't feel like I'm out there and I don't still feel happy. When I post on a private account, it gives me the kind of joy posting on the main account doesn't. I don't want that. I want this account to be me, completely me. I love this one particular quote so much that a winner is just a loser who tried one more time. And trying is so very beautiful. Here I am, trying. If you're watching this, it's a pretty big deal for me. I've procrastinated a lot. I've doubted myself. I've disappeared. I've come, started and stopped more times than I can even count. Like a minor inconvenience and I just run. But this time I'm here because for the first time in a long, long time, I'm choosing to be seen. Gosh, I'm scared.